static site generation in Next.js. For that I have created a normal Next.js app, and here I am using Face API. So for static site generation you need to use Face API, and you can use your own real API. Here I am using mock API, JSON placeholder, and I am getting users from here for testing purpose. And here I am just getting these users, and you need to must be make this function as async function for use await here. And if I don't have any user, then returning no user found, and if I have users, then just returning users and displaying on the browsers. So here it is my browser, and so you don't need to use anything, just one line of code you can make static site generation. And you should not use client directive here, or you should not use client function like use state, use effect, or use ref here, and some client APIs you don't use here. Also you can use here export points dynamic. Using this route configuration, you can make the whole this page and this page subpage or children will be generated as a static and cached by default everything. And every time when you refresh browser, you will get same data.